Hey guys, the noise keeps going. I don't know what's going on here in Lincoln, Nebraska. The weather looks like it's gonna rain, and then that sound's just going on, and it's been there for more than 20 minutes probably now here in Lincoln. Maybe it's some cicadas on the trees. Pueden ser chicharras, creo yo, pero suena como una alarma y es muy fuerte. ¿Sí las están oyendo en sus lugares? What is that? It comes from the sky. This is so weird. I never heard that sound before. And my birds are awfully quiet right now, and my dogs too. So it definitely is something going on. So just wanted to share this with you guys. Love you.